In this video, we're going to add numbers. So if you have a problem like this and it says add 9 plus 4, if you watched my previous videos, you will remember some of the addition facts. So you might just remember what 9 plus 4 equals. But if you don't, you can go to a number line and you can imagine yourself at 9, and on a number line, when the numbers go this way, the numbers get bigger, and when they go this way, the numbers get smaller. Okay? So when you're going that way, numbers get smaller. So you can imagine yourself at number 9, and then you can advance by 1, 2, 3, 4 till you find the answer of 13. And another way to do this, and so we're getting into a little bit more advanced tricks that you could remember when doing math. So you can start at 9, like we did last time, and then you can add 1. So plus 1, and you're at 10. So when you add something to 10, it makes it easier to visualize. So you have 10 plus 3 to make 4, and you end up at the same number, 13. So we know that the answer to 9 plus 4 equals 13.